This is one of my favorite products right here. This is my hair dye pin comb. When I'm in a rush and I want to wear a ponytail quickly, I just use this. It's super simple. You just pop the top off. Looks like to me like a pin comb, and it blends out seamlessly. I am gonna go in with my Shine and Jam, and I love using the Shine and Jam product with the hair dye pin comb because it just helps everything to blend well. And I'm just going to wrap my hair in a little braided bun because I want you guys to see this works very well. You only need to go where the area is the worst. So see how I have all of that gap back there? So I'm just gonna take my stick and I'm gonna put quite a bit of product because it's just going to camouflage in with my hair. And then I'm gonna pull it up as far as I can, and that's about enough. And then you're just gonna take your finger and just blend it out, and try not to blend off too much of it. And don't worry, if you blend off too much, you can just add more. But you can see how that looks good right there. And do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna start back here where everything is super bald and pull up towards the front and make sure we get those vacant bald spots. And we're just going to blend out everything. See how this is blending in? Anything I have extra, I just kind of bring it towards the front of the hair. I will go in with a little bit of Got to Be Glued gel, whatever your favorite gel is. If you want this to last all day, then try the Got to Be Glued gel like this in the black or yellow tube. I'm just gonna go in wherever I have like my own little edges and just create some little baby hairs. This just gives it a little character. Complete this side and try to keep it matched up as much as I can. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray, and this is gonna lock in that edge stick and just seal it in. And we're just gonna do it right up here where we added the edge stick only, because we don't want this to transfer. We're gonna dry the hair until it's 99.9% dry, and then we're gonna tie it up. It's time to take it down. It's been 20 minutes. The hair dye pin comb, after making some little baby haired edges. You see how it's kind of camouflaged everything, and there's no transfer. That's what I mean when I say transfer. It's dry, so you don't have to worry about it moving or getting on your clothes, and it'll last throughout the day. How to remove it? Just shampoo it with water, soap and water, soapy rag, whatever, and it comes right off. So I haven't had any problems with this product. No irritation, no nothing. So that does it.